Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and I'm obsessed with all things beauty and skincare related. Today I am going to be showing you my Fenty beauty haul. Miss Rihanna had, I believe it was 25% off on the Fenty beauty website. So I took full advantage of that and I picked up a couple of products that I wanted to share them with you guys. Just a disclaimer, or just a heads up, I want to let you guys know I'm a fan of Fenty beauty. Every time I buy Rihanna's makeup, honestly, it's so nice and it's just so beautiful, and her highlighters are amazing, and you know what? All her products so far have just been so good. Let's get started. So I'm gonna start off by putting on some foundation. I'm gonna clip all of this. So I'm going to just do minimal makeup today. Okay, so now that I just have some makeup applied, what I wanted to show you first is I had got the cream blushes. She came out, and I believe they're new. They are not a powder blush, they are cream. And the color that I got for myself is called Cool Berry. I am so pink in all my makeup, all my clothes. I really just decided I wanted to get a different color blush, and I have used it a couple times. So here it is in its packaging. Her packaging is always so freaking cool. This seems small though. I do want to say, like, it just feels small in your hand. It's not going to be like a bulky product, which is great because it's really good for travel. But they also even come with these adorable mirrors. So I'm gonna do a swatch for you. This is the first time doing makeup reviews on my channel, so please bear with me. But here's the first swatch of Cool Berry. And you see how it just goes down so beautiful like that. Look at that, how pretty that is. Oh my God, it's so good. I was worried, I'm telling you, I was worried about a cool tone blush, but honestly, it's freaking gorgeous. So what I do is I just get my blush brush and I just tap it in like this, and I always smile, and I always just apply it. Oh my gosh, there's a lot on here. It is very pigmented, but it doesn't look like it's overly pigmented on the face. Like, you can actually work with this product and blend it out really nice. And I just think it is freaking gorgeous. And it has this beautiful like sheen to it. Oh, it's just so freaking pretty. Yes, half my face is covered in blush. I do want to say it is very like damp in my room. It's very humid, so you can see where I swiped with my brush. The product is basically melting, so I definitely don't recommend keeping these products in a very hot place. So the second cheek color that I got is called Cheeks Out Strawberry Drip number 5. We love a good strawberry dip moment. So I'm just gonna pop it open. And oh my goodness, look how, if you could see in the camera how like fluorescent this product is. It is honestly stunning. It is definitely a little, like, it's not baby pink, but it is definitely like a deeper but vibrant pink, kind of like the color of a strawberry we're living. So I'm gonna do a little swatch for you guys and compare it to Cool Berry over here. And I'm just gonna move the product. Here it is on my finger. And then we're gonna put it right next to Cool Berry. So that didn't seem to swatch as pigmented. It definitely is a little more sheerer on my hand. I don't know if it's because it's like a lighter tone, but it definitely didn't come out as pigmented as the Cool Berry. But let's try it on our cheeks, because ultimately that's the most important part. We're not gonna be putting blush on the back of our hand, so it really doesn't matter. Swatching, it's like hit or miss for me. So I'm just gonna tap very lightly because it is very humid in this room. I'm using the same brush, but on a different side. And let's just start. Oh yes, okay, so this, even though it looks insanely bright in the packaging, it does come out controlled. Like, do you guys know like the Becca blushes, how it's like you do one dip and it's like your whole, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, these are pigmented, but they're manageable. This is definitely more sheer. I'm just gonna tap. I'm tapping, I'm not even, because they're so creamy and it's so humid. So, I mean, this is gorgeous. I'm actually kind of shocked. I'm actually kind of shocked at how different these two applied. There's a big difference. Also, what I want to note about these blushes, and it's one of my favorite things, is you could apply them to your eyes and your lips. Because they are so buttery, you can apply these to your lips like the same way you apply them to your cheeks. So like, I'm gonna apply Cool Berry, And I just always, when I'm done with my look, I actually use this as a lipstick. See how that just goes on like that? So easy. So that's another reason why I bought these blushes. I was like, you know what? It's like a 2-for-1. It's like a lipstick and a blush. And I'm sure you could put it on your eye. Actually, let's try to put it on our eye. Hold on, I'm gonna just, I never tried this one yet on my other lip. Oh, cute. Guys, see that? How pretty. Ooh, this actually comes out nicer on your lip than it does on your cheek. Okay, I see you, strawberry drip. Look at me, I look like a clown. But like, look, oh my God, strawberry drip, come through. This is a gorgeous lip color. So I just dapped a little bit. You know what? I have a little bit. I don't know if putting these on your eye is that good of an idea. They're so creamy. I feel like on a hot summer day, they're gonna melt right off your eyeball. So next, I am just gonna put on some concealer because I got the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter powder in the color Lavender right here. Oh my God, I've been wanting this for so long, but I'm gonna apply a little bit of concealer so we can see how it sets. I'm using the La Mer, the concealer. I got the lavender powder because I'm gonna be honest, aesthetic reasons, and because like, I just feel like lavender could be such a pretty color on your skin. So anyway, the packaging of this is freaking stunning. I mean, it's like all her products seem to have this diamond vibe about them. Like everything is so like chromed out, shiny, and it's honestly just so beautiful. We have like that chrome top that in really like modern, like simplistic but beautiful letters, Fenty Beauty, and then the bottom, of course, we saw it. So you open up the powder like this, and right off the bat, here it is on the top of the cap, and then it comes out in, it actually, their initials in the packaging says FB. So I think that's really cool. And then of course you like kind of shake it up for the product to come to the top. I'm going to apply this on my under eye using a Morphe M38 brush. So I am just gonna sweep this product up, and it comes like right off. Like it's really, oh, it's so fine. And I'm just gonna apply. And then it just totally brightens up my under eye. And it's so sheer, and it's so like just finely milled. And I love that in a powder because I don't like cakiness, you know? I'm not trying to do that. So I want a powder that's gonna cover me and make me just look filtered, but not cakey. Because this blush seems a little on the humid side today, I'm just gonna dab some of this powder over my blush just very lightly so things don't move around. And look how nicely that just applies over my blush. Like it doesn't alter the color. It doesn't do any of that. Their lavender color is like almost like translucent. It honestly, you don't even look lavender on your skin. It just really just lightly gives your face like a beautiful slight luminosity, but a brightness that we all love. I've been on this hunt for a new eyeshadow palette, and not just any eyeshadow palette. I wanted a cool tone palette, and Rihanna had the perfect cool tone palette in her Snap Shadows, the mix and match eyeshadow palette. It's number 2 in cool neutrals, so that's perfect. Because I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I do have the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe, and that palette is so full of warm colors. I think you could seriously buy that palette and never need a warm palette again. Like, I'm not even kidding. So I didn't want to buy another warm. I really wanted a beautiful, cool palette. And let me just say, Miss Fenty Beauty delivered as she always does. So next I also wanted to let you know is I bought one of her brushes right here. Her packaging is all like in that same like Fenty Beauty range, and it's got that like light millennial pink that's pretty. I bought a blending brush. It's 230 blending, and I love that it says 230 blending right here because a lot of people sometimes get confused on which brushes to use for their eyes, and I personally appreciate this. It did come packaged a little on the flatter side. Like I kind of just wish this brush was, I don't know if like I'm supposed to be doing anything to make it fluffier, but I believe it's supposed to be a little tapered, and it is on the flatter side. So my only complaint is I wish it was a little fluffier. That way I could just really just blend and buff everything. But we're gonna go in with these colors and they're freaking stunning. Upper Class, Hey Aunt, and then the purple one is called Hey Auntie. And then this one is called, right here, is called Getting Toasty. And then this one is called You There? Like calling like a hello, you there? And then this one is called Wife It Up, meaning, bitch, if she's wearing this eye color, you better put a ring on it. You better wife her ass. And then last but not least is Risky Riches right here. Okay, so I'm gonna just go in with a quick, really, really neutral look for you guys. I'm gonna go in with her blending brush and I'm just gonna go in with Wife It Up. I love this as a blending color. I've been looking for a color like this for so freaking long. And I'm just gonna apply it to like upper outer quarters of my eye. This brush is soft and does feel nice. So I do have to say the quality of the brush is really pretty. So we're just applying and it comes on smooth as butter. I do have her Moroccan Spice palette and that's another really warm palette. That's why I was like on the hunt for a cool one. What I like about this palette compared to her Moroccan Spice is her Moroccan Spice was so heavily pigmented that like it's just harder to work with and it's not that good for beginners. I like an eyeshadow to not be as pigmented and I like to build it that way because I'm not very experienced with makeup. Like I'm not like an artist or anything, so it's easy for me to kind of mess things up. This is just usually my routine when I do it when I'm getting ready to go somewhere. I'm gonna go in with Upper Class, this color right here, because I think it's so pretty. I'm gonna use the same brush and I'm not gonna spray it. Something I noticeably like about these like satin colors is they apply very well without having to use a mist, which is nice because you have to buy this and then buy a mist, and you want to know what? It's just extra money. You want your makeup to work without help of other things. Do you know what I mean? Like if I'm buying an eyeshadow palette, I don't want to have to buy a separate mister to wet the brush and then apply it. Like I don't think that's acceptable, and I feel like in the beauty community, people just so normally do that, and I'm just like, why do we need an extra step? Why should we be working harder to use these types of eye products? Like, I feel like that's messy and I wanna just apply my stuff without assistance using a brush. So here it is on my eye, so pretty. And you guys, I'm not gonna apply any more because it is insanely hot in here, but I'm gonna go in with some swatches, okay? With the colors that I didn't use. So I'm going in with You There first. I don't know if you could see it, it's very sheer, but as you could see, oh my God, it's so beautiful on the back of my hand. It's like this like light periwinkle-like type color, and it's freaking stunning. And this is something that you could wear literally every day, morning or night. If you're going out, you could even still wear this. And that's why I love these great colors. Then I'm gonna go in with Risky Riches. I haven't used this color yet. So here, we're gonna go in here. And it comes out so nice on your finger. Look at that. It's just so pigmented and buttery. Like her products are just so buttery and nice. You see how that swatches? It didn't swatch as pigmented as the first one. So I'm just gonna go back in and I'm gonna do it again because I'm not, okay, so that didn't operate as easy as the other one, but that's okay because it's a little bit of a darker color. And I know those colors can be a little trickier. Then we're gonna go in with Hey Auntie, the purple one, which I also haven't tried yet. Nice. I could tell it's a little drier and a little on the patchier side. I really hope this is a purple that's super good though, you guys, because it's hard to find that. Okay, cute. No, it did good. It did good for a purple. We're just gonna go back in and just try to finish a swatch. Yeah, I could tell this is gonna be a little more work. I know purples could be like that, but look at how beautiful that color is regardless, and vibrant. Oh my God, you know what? I wanna put this on my brush. I'm going off topic. Let's just go in and just put it on the, she's getting crazy. Let's see. Oh my goodness though, but it disperses so well over your eye and it's not patchy whatsoever on your eye. It didn't swatch well, but I'll tell you what, this is freaking stunning. Oh, and then the last one is getting toasty. So it's this color right here. Oh, that felt really nice. Did you see this? That felt so nice. That is, oh my God. Yo, that's the best color on the palette. That's a nice formula. They all swatched so different, every single one, but getting toasty, girl, that has me getting toasty. Damn, I love this palette. You guys, I hope you liked my review of my Fenty haul. I know I'm not a makeup artist, but you know what? I'm gonna put on some Diamond Milk too. Yes. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. I hope it was helpful. As far as my haul from Fenty Beauty, I absolutely love it as always. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel, comment down below, share this video with your friends, and until the next video, love you guys. Bye.